That was an extreme welcome. Hello, Mono. Hello, Kane H. Hello, Eagle Knot. How are you all doing? Welcome, welcome, welcome. The gang is all here. We're missing a certain English feller. But, most of the, disruptive people are around. Yes, Donuts. He's very English. That's true. I did forget Donuts. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Donuts. You're finally back from your whirlwind work travel, so you're good now. I have work travel in a couple weeks. It's fun. Well, not really work travel. I have vaguely work-related travel in a couple weeks. It's, yeah. But yeah, no, work travel. How long were you gone from work travel? It seems like you were out for a while. Did you get sent to like prison? You were in 7 states over 10 days. Gross. Yeah, no, that's not fun work travel. That doesn't sound great. Honestly, prison sounds better. Why are you not quitting, Slack? Slack just doesn't want to die. Okay, Slack is dead now. What are we working on tonight? I don't actually know. I feel like I need to get back in the groove of working on Vision OS stuff. It's actually been a minute since we did some Vision OS work, hasn't it? I tried to stop to do a YouTube video on Xcode 15 tips that I never actually published because I'm bad at YouTube. But yeah, we're gonna get back to doing Vision OS stuff, which we're better at. So that's my goal for tonight. Not sure what all I need to tackle tonight. We have a couple of tickets available. Most of them are of the like, go do this entire feature level. So, you know, that's kind of broad. But we do have, you should make something in Unity. No, I don't think I'm going to be doing that anytime soon. Did that put my monitor in the frame? Yeah, it did. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to be doing any Unity work right about now. I think I'm going to continue doing Swift and Swift UI. I think that seems like the safer option at the moment. But yeah, we have in here 2 minor bugs: view state update, window resizing issue. Then we got some bigger ones: layers, an export view, and a gallery view. The export view, I think, needs design. I need to go do actual design for that. I might do that over the weekend. Gallery view. What is there to tackle on the gallery view? Let's take a look at the gallery view. Let's take a look at the gallery view on Vision OS, and let's take a look at the gallery view on iPad OS, and see what really we need to do with our gallery view. How was your guys' weeks? Mono, Eagle Knot. Well, Eagle Knot was in 7 states over 10 days, so that's not great. Did you send off your promo video? I did send off my promo video. I sent off my promo video quite a while ago. Is this actually running anything? Blink once if you got the kit. I gotta blink a bunch of times so you can't know whether that was once or just like once in multiple, like yes, a bunch of times, or if it was no. Multiple kits. Yeah, I actually got, you know, I just wanted to wrap it around my head. Well, I had to get one for each of the cats. I mean, come on. They're my verified users. It's like, huh? Why do all of your users have no middle names and also the same last name as you? Just don't worry about it. And very small pupillary distances. Shut up. Don't worry about it. Yeah, getting a cat eye exam. That was the tricky part. You just put a paw over one eye and go. Meow, 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 meow. That's how that works. Y'all, I have lost my mind this week. I know that's normal for this stream, but also this week was that way. Why can I not get to the gallery view at all? This is my question. Coco Broco, yes. Can I do anything? No. Where even are the buttons that let me do stuff? Aren't there supposed to be buttons down at the bottom right that tell me, like, we're being asked to be unhinged in chat? This is true. Aren't there normally buttons in the bottom right that, like, let me move stuff and click stuff? And this is how this works. Like, this is how the VisionOS simulator works, right? I'm gonna just quit and reboot the simulator because I feel like this is not working. And we're just gonna try again. We're gonna give up. Hey, look at that. These buttons. These are the buttons that I was missing. I liked those buttons. Oh, did you help? Nice. Yeah, I need a simulator crash emote. That needs to be my next emote. I actually really want to redo the fire emote. I think it could be better. Can we do a 3D Xcode fire emote? All right, Reality Kit composing. That's what we're going to learn today. Reality Kit developer tools. Yeah, let's do that. Can we do some like particle effects? Can we do a 3D Xcode crash emote? Let's do it. See, look, I'm not the only one that's broken today. Look, there's no sidebar here. Oh wait, no, okay, gotta click that button. Okay, there we go. Let's go design some Reality Kit content with Reality Composer Pro. First we gotta launch Reality Composer Pro. Okay, let's just do that. Can we just do brand new project? We're gonna do an Xcode fire emote in VisionOS. That's what we're gonna do. Initial scene, immersive space renderer, reality, immersive space full. Can we just have like a fire scene? Yes, let's do this. Xcode burn. Include tests? Heck no. Initial scene, volume. Next. All right. See, now this would be way cooler if we could actually export 3D video. But we know we can't do that. What do we got in Reality Kit content? We got spheres. We got spheres, kids. What if Xcode was running the tests? Let's open this in Reality Composer Pro. Can we create like, yeah, particle effects? So what I want here, let's think of how this is gonna work. I want just like I think 3D things typically call it billboard. I just want like a thing that I can display the Xcode logo on. And then I want some particle emitters. No issues. Okay, see, now the fact that this is like a bright yellow button makes me think that there's already issues. And maybe you should not have a bright yellow thing here with the warning symbol if there's not actually issues. Just saying. All right, let's go looking for some particle emitters. New project, new insert, particle emitter. Look at that, this is right here. All right, where's our particle emitter? Where did it go? I don't know. Can we tell it to just start play? Here we go. All right, I'm not seeing any particle emitters. Do I have to drag it into here? No. See, now with sphere left and sphere right, look at this. I can see them. They're there. The particle emitter, I don't know where it is. Oh, here it is. Okay, why is the particle emitter here and the spheres are so far away? All right, This doesn't look like fire. We gotta make it look more like fire. It is emitting particles. Let's change the particles. Okay. Start color. Let's make it like a darker, deeper orange. Let's go here. There we go. This is a nice. That's a dark orange. And then end color. Let's make that also orange, but like a brighter orange. I feel like that's still changing the start color. Let's go back here. Yeah, there we go. Okay, that needs to be more yellow. There we go. Okay, that's more like fire. Let's have it be more of it. And also smaller fire. Okay. Yeah, that, but more. Okay. Okay, I feel like I need it to vary. Yeah, here, look at this. Man, look at... I say the words and then they just show up in the UI. Okay. Spreading angle? 90 degrees. That's... Okay, that's not a fire anymore. 5 degrees. That's still not a fire. That almost looks like it didn't change anything at all. Okay, so 0 is... Is this in radians, maybe? 0.2. Okay, there we go. That looks more like fire. Alright. I kind of feel like we need to bring that back, actually. No, see, that doesn't look right. 0.1. Let's go back. Shift tab does not work, so that's cool. Oh, sorry. I had that at 1, not 0.1. There we go. I like how we've got this little bit of fire here and then just like ominous hovering spheres in the background. Can we give this more variation? It still doesn't look very varied. What I'm concerned about. Oh, so we can tell it to burst. Okay, so this burst count isn't doing anything. Boom, boom, boom. I don't think we want them to have mass. Their lifespan is fine. Angle. That looks better, right? Okay, that's cool. I think that's a little too dramatic, but I like that effect. Yeah, I think that's better. Orientation mode. Billboard Y-aligned. I don't know what that did. Motion. We can give it acceleration or drag. I don't think that's really what we want. Rendering. I mean, I feel like maybe... Blend mode. Ooh, can we change our blend mode? Well, definitely not that. There's that. What I don't want to have to do is mess with this particle image. But I feel like I'm going to have to. But I also feel like there's a thing in the sprite kit emitters. Ooh, there's a main emitter and a secondary emitter? Oh, heck yes. So we can give it some, like, smoke. Let's do that. Okay, no in color. Let's give it some, like, dark black smoke. Yeah, look at that. Okay, maybe lower the saturation a little bit. Yeah, there we go. Actually, maybe get a little bit lighter. Yeah, there we go. All right, now this, I want this to be bumped way up, like 5. Okay. But like, that looks terrible. Can we make them more transparent? Yes, that is a button that I have control over. Okay, that's looking good. I do feel like I want to bump. Yeah, see, that's too light. But here, maybe we make it a little bit light just so that we can mess with it a bit more. And then maybe, do we increase the birth rate of these too? See, I want them to like blend more. And I don't think that they're quite doing that. Okay, that looks terrible. Yes, that's some perfect smoke there. Look at that. Okay, that actually doesn't look too bad. Let's do that. I think we want to do that with the fire one as well. Ship it. I feel like, yeah. I feel like, and I keep saying I feel like. I feel like. I feel like. I feel like I feel like. Ooh, I can give it a volume. I don't know what that did. Nothing useful. I was saying that I feel like there's a thing on Sprite Kit. I don't know what that did. Let me get a gradient. Ooh, a range. Interesting. But I felt like there was a thing in Sprite Kit where it's like the particles would blend together a little bit. And I don't know how to make that happen here. But I think that this is getting us to where we want. Spreading angle, yeah. It'd be nice if all of these had, you know, units. So angle is what? Angle is... Hello. Amount a particle is rotated around its axis when emitted. Okay, so that's not what we want to change. What I want to change is, yeah, the spreading angle here. I can't tell what that's doing. But I want it to, like, waver a little bit is what I'm trying to get it to do. And maybe I need to do that from the main one. But right now, yeah, there's just too much that's just like it's going straight up. I want it to have a little bit of randomness to it. So that takes it straight up. And then if I did that, it like sprayed out everywhere. And that's not at all what I want. But really, the main thing that I want is I want them to glob up a little bit more. And I can like start that by like just making these bigger. But the problem is you can still see the individual ones, especially when they get up here. And then it really looks like just a big ball. Will Xcode be burning or thrown into the fire? Let's start with burning, and then we can check on like physics stuff. Because that would be cool to just like chuck it on the fire. Yeah, I feel like this is the thing that like we need to be able to tweak this over time. Can we like really vary the variation? Okay, that's looking better. But like, do you think the smoke comes from the Xcode? If we do this and then we very much vary the, oops. So what's annoying is tab goes forward in these things, but shift tab doesn't go backwards. I mean, I do feel like more is making it better. It's hiding a lot of sins to just make it bigger. And then, yeah, if we do that and then we take our secondary particles and we make this a little bit more gray. Not that gray. Maybe make it a little bit darker. Like a lot darker. Yeah, there we go. Okay, now what if we make these? See, that looks like too much smoke. What if we really bump down the opacity? Yeah, there we go. All right, let's get Xcode in here. So I think we need to go get the Xcode icon. Let's pop up an acorn, and it should allow us to save this as a big image. Desktop, acorn.ping. Sorry, not acorn.ping, xcode.ping. There we go. All right, let's, how do we add a file into here? Import. Desktop, xcode.ping. All right, can we just like drop it in here? No? Okay. Let's insert a... Well, see, it had billboards, and that's kind of what I want right now. I don't want a material. Maybe a physically based Xcode. No, that's not what I want. I mean, let's just give it a cube and see what happens. Can we put like a texture on this cube? Material. Oh, default material, grid material. Default material. Can we tweak our material? Okay, shader. Yeah, let's leave our shader as is. But yeah, what I want to do is like a texture. Jeff, would it be a good idea to look at like literally any documentation for this? Yeah, probably. Ooh, look at this. We got all kinds of cool stuff. Let's put, I don't know. Oh man, what there's all kind of cool stuff in here. put a toy rocket in here. Boom. It's just a cube now. Oh, it's downloading. Okay, here, we got a toy rocket that's just gonna stand here. Screw you, cube. We got a rocket. Sorry, what else is in here? Generic materials. I mean, great. Cork. We got cork. It's all the way out here for some reason. I don't know why it exists in a position anywhere. And Russia flames go towards rocket. Yeah, exactly. This is a rocket that did not go well. Hang on, how do I get the rocket back? There we go. This is a failed rocket. Actually, here's what we need to do. We need to rocket. This is what happened to this rocket. Oh, really? You're gonna change my like angle of reference. There we go. This is a rocket that crashed into the ground. I feel like I need to point it at the ground. There we go. And then how do I move it? Like, see, yeah, I gotta move it like this, just at different angles. There we go. There's our rocket. There's no ambience here. That's just like fire burning. Oh, we got a siren, an air raid siren. Here we go. But yeah, no, like I need to figure out how to. We got primitive shapes. Yeah, these are just the cylinders. Reminds you of Dragon Ball. I don't feel like I know what version of Dragon Ball. Like, I've seen parts of Dragon Ball, but I don't know. I don't know that I get the reference that time. All right, reality kit. Yeah, what is diorama? Okay, this is just like a project. But I want to figure out how to add like a... Image files do not become an entity. Reality Kit only uses image assets directly, such as being the source texture for materials you'll build in Shader Graph. Okay, so maybe we do need a cube. Oops, this is Xcode. We don't want Xcode. We want Reality Composer. Okay, so let's insert a new cube again. Get our cube here. Okay. And I need to give it a material of some kind. Custom? New input? Ooh. Xcode is an integer. That's not gonna help at all. Image file. Hey, look at that. Yeah. Start with an image file. Choose. Xcode. I don't know what this means. We've got an Xcode in here. What can we do with it? Who knows? But it's there. I mean, it says input, but then how do I output? Ooh, this is probably how I fix that rocket thing. Look at that. That's what I want on this version of the rocket. Reality Composer, texture. Explore materials in Reality Composer 2. Materials in XROS.
Let's first start by describing.
You can't talk. Apple's lawyers will be mad at me if you start talking. What's an XROS? Materials in XROS are made of PBR. Yeah, see, now this is what I want. Okay, how do I do that? Okay, it was created by ILM. I mean, that's cool. But can I... Oh, here we go. All right. No. So yeah, we've done the wrong thing. We've made this worse. Physically based. Okay. Can I... Ah, here we go. That's what we want. There's our Xcode cube. X cube. All right. Get out of here, Toy Rocket. We've got an Xcode to play with. Okay, I got way close. All right, is this cube... Yeah, this cube isn't on the ground. It needs to be like on the ground and burning. Okay, how do we make our particle emitter bigger? Just change its scale. Yeah, there we go. Okay. So there's our burning Xcode cube. Where's our... Yeah, let's go back to here. So we got this. We gave it an image. Now what I want to do is I wish there was a way that it wasn't... Be back getting coffee? Okay. Oh, I was hoping that there was going to be a way to... Yeah, make it opaque. Opacity threshold 1. Okay, that's too much. 0.4. 0.0.5. 0.8. Yeah, setting it to 1 just makes it disappear. Setting it to anything else means it's here. It's there. It exists. Yeah, I don't know what that means. I mean, we do just have a burning cube of Xcode. That is, I think that's a good start. And still some ominous hovering spheres. Let's make these spheres. Let's make them have a Xcode material as well. There we go. We have our Xcode spheres now. This is good. That's glorious. Spherical Xcode. Right. I can change the opacity of everything. Ooh, I can change its roughness. How rough do we want our Xcode? I have no idea what I'm doing here. Okay, I made it red. I don't think that was what I wanted. Oh, geez. What have I done? Undo. Reset. What happened to my... Oh, I know what happened. Okay, yeah. There we go. Okay. We've brought it back. Make it very metallic Xcode. Partially transparent Xcode. I don't know. I don't really know what we're going for here. Can I make Xcode the input to the roughness? No. I mean, yes, I can, but... What is this? What's going on? We're burning Xcode in effigy. That's what's going on. Ooh, that actually kind of worked. I don't know how or why. Now, okay, hold on. So this is probably like an image mask. So what if we go create an actual image mask of Xcode? Yeah. How do I convert this to like an alpha mask? Color. I mean, that's basically what I want, yeah. But then I want it over like a white background, right? Whoops, that didn't work at all. Or do I want the opposite of that? I think I want the opposite of that, right? I think I want this to go this way and this one to go this way, right? That's an actual alpha mask, right? Okay, so save as Xcode alpha. Your layers will be lost. Okay, that's fine. I know that. Yeah, let's import that now. Oh, that didn't really do anything. Oh, yeah, it did. Look at that. We have our just square of Xcodes. Okay. But it only works if you look at it like right on. Okay, now hang on. Let's take that and then let's shove this whole thing back a bit. And can we make? Yeah, let's see. Let's pull this back here. Yeah, I need to figure out how to get the, ooh. That's too big. A little bit too big. Nope, not 3. 0.3. There we go. Because I kind of want it to be vaguely rising out of the fire. You need to scoot back a bit so there's more fire in front of you. Okay, so let's go back to our material. And I think that this is... Oops, that was not what I wanted. I think maybe this is where we want to play with the opacity threshold. Yeah, there we go. Look at that. That's perfect. Okay, let's get rid of these hovering Xcode spheres. And let's preview this in the Vision OS simulator. Can I do that? I can't do that. All right, do I just save this and then go run the project? Is that what we do? Where's... I don't want a sphere. I want my burning Xcode. Okay, what's wrong with this project? Await entity named immersive in RealityKit content bundle. Okay, so there's something in here called immersive, and that's not what we want. No, this whole thing says immersive. Did we not save this or something? File, save. Clean. Build and run. Yeah, this is a sphere. This is not a burning Xcode. Somebody needs to help here. Look, this is clearly loading up some kind of Xcode thing. Yeah, okay. First of all, yes, that is Xcode. Unfortunately, that is not, that's not our particle effect. And then, yeah, when we built and ran this, this is not what we saw. So something else is going on here. Content view. If let scene equals entity named scene in RealityKit content bundle. Okay, so let's go back to here. I don't see anything called scene. Ooh, unless this, no, that wasn't a drop down. Y'all see anything named scene? I feel like we're missing something. Entity named scene in reality. Okay, is it in here maybe? Ooh, what is that? No, this is just our RK assets again. Okay. Is there something called scene in here? No. Yeah, I don't know where it's getting scene from. That seems like a problem. Because there is an entity named immersive. We found that. Oh, hey, now it's got the right particle emitter. Where is scene? Scene. Yeah, see, we've got this thing called immersive right here. I close that tab. No open scenes. Okay. But like, project browser? Nope, that didn't do it. Clearly I had something at some point. Statistics? No. So my project browser's down here. Oh, okay. Well, that's neat, but not at all what I wanted. Yeah, how do I get back to my... hierarchy? No, because that's this. We're in Xcode content. It feels like I'm missing a view entirely. Oh, wait, yeah, immersive is right here. Oh, here we go. Okay. Yeah. Okay, here's scene. So can we open this? Open. Hey, there we go. Okay. So let's put nothing in here. Immersive is what we care about, right? So let's go back into here. This is Kineo. Nobody. It's not. We don't work on that. So yeah, we have our immersive view here. It at least kind of works, and that's what we should see when we turn on our immersive view. Is there something that we need to do to turn on the immersive view? Set immersion to 100%. Yeah, that's not doing anything. There's this show immersive space button. Don't show this again, I don't care. But this isn't showing me the same thing. This is still showing me the reality view content. And I don't understand why. Open immersive space, ID immersive space. Which is this. ID immersive space has an immersive view. This is the part that doesn't make any sense to me. Okay, so what happens if we put immersive view here? Okay, so that got closer. So that it still didn't load up our proper thing. And it's also not tall enough. Uniform scale, enlarge 0.1 to 1.4, blah, blah, blah. Oh, I have a stupid theory. Hold on. I have a slightly less stupid theory now. Okay, so there's a burning Xcode. Let's wander around here. So let's get on the ground. I'm gonna pick this up. Oh jeez. We've set the couch on fire. Man, navigating through this in the simulator is very difficult. I don't know how to do this. I want to pick you up and pull you over here. Okay. That's as close to being on the couch as you're gonna get. Okay, but I need to make it taller. How do I make it taller? Also, yeah, no, I never got around to the thing that I thought I was gonna try, which was, let's go back to here and let's switch this back to content view. Because I realized, oh, this is like an immersive thing. What happens if maybe I'm standing on the Xcode burning thing? So yeah, what I need to do is I need to put this further away. That's what I really need to do. So, because right now it's on the center, which means it's probably like just right positioned where I am. Oh God, how do I fix my camera? What have I done? No, that was not at all what I wanted to do. I wanted to turn off collision shapes. Debug views. No. I want to just go back to like... What was this? Okay, so... Oh, here we go. This is what I'm looking for. Okay, but which way is forward right now? This is the problem. I don't know. Oh, hey, here's the camera reset button. Cool. All right. We're getting somewhere. Let's move this back a whole lot. Like a meter away. Okay, let's do the same thing with this. Except let's bring it maybe a little bit forward because we want it to be burning the front of it. Yeah, there we go. This whole scale thing, that seems like a problem, but I don't care. Let's go ahead and save that and try running that. Oh God, where have we gone? Okay, let's start over. Yeah, why is it back underneath our feet again? That's not what we want. Stop. Clean. Build and run. No. Is it under our feet again? Why is it constantly under our feet? Did we not save this file? File, save. You see it saving. Clean. Build and run. Yeah, it continues to be under our feet for no good reason. Is 100 centimeters not far away enough? Let's go back and look at this scene. So no, this scene is like right on the center. So that can't be the problem. Let's go look at our content view. So I feel like there's a problem with it existing further away. Immersive view. Well, that's quite weird. Yeah, so that's going right in the thing. Yeah, that immersive space isn't doing anything. Oh. Oh god. What have I done? So you can just add and remove the entity. You can't really do anything else with it. So what I want to know is, when we first created this, like, we had spheres and the spheres were like super far away for some reason. And I felt like that reason was, you know, because that's where it belonged. And it was hiding it. But now I feel like it's not where we want it to be.
Mono NZ says, what's in the box?
Fire. Fire is in the box. How do I turn this back on? Play. Potatoes. No. Yeah, see, this even says -1 meter. Do I need to make it positive a meter? Because is it right underneath my feet when I build this? Okay, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to go back into the simulator. Nope. Oh, God. Start over. We're going to show the immersive space, and then we're going to, like, just look straight down. Yeah, so it's underneath us. We want it to go into the room. We don't want to start our room with Xcode burning under our feet. This seems like a problem. You know what? I don't want this to be an immersive view at all, because I want this to be in the world. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to go back here and just, we're going to put the immersive view here. Because this is what we want, is we want just Xcode burning in the room. Now it's not doing anything. It's perfect. How have we broken this badly? First of all, why is this not playing at all? This just seemed to just stopped. I mean, we clearly have something going on here. I mean, it even seems like it's working there. It's almost like it just doesn't want it to run. Because there's like a play button here. And it's just not doing anything. Oh, there we go. Yeah, see, now it works. Mono, how far away is a meter? You're some form of non-American. About 3 feet. Yeah, see this, so this shouldn't be directly under my feet. So why is it having a problem? Ooh, like, okay, that's not at all what I wanted, but that is cool. A torus of fire. 3 1/3 feet. Okay. Sorry, I feel like I've broken it now. There you go. Well, that was very weird. The official measurement is 1 decent step forward. How many kilograms is it? Oh, look. There's literally presets here for, like, fireworks. See, now I need to have fireworks. That feels like a requirement. But I also want to figure out the space thing first. Yeah, and then why is this just not working at all anymore? Is this not working because it's a meter away? If I put this back to... Okay, see, this is the problem. I actually need this to come forward. So can we maybe make this 0 and make the box -10? Okay, so let's save that. And then refresh this. Okay, there's something. Okay, so should we actually move this back down to 0? Because right now it's up some amount. This feels wrong. I'm gonna try it anyway. Okay. That's not awful. I feel like it needs to be moved back a bit though to get a better effect. Oops. No, I don't want to run it. No, don't run it. There we go. Now that's a burning Xcode. Let me move this down just a little bit more. -10. Sorry, don't build. Rerun. Yeah, there we go. Enlarge reality view content. Oh god, that's too large. Okay. I'm liking this. How do we set the size of our window? Because yeah, we have a window style volumetric, but I think we can also set like a window size, default size. Here we go. Width 1 meter, height 1 meter, depth. Actually, let's just make them 3 meters across so that we know that we fit it. Meters. Hey, thanks for the follow, Astroder F Prime. Astro Turf Prime. There we go. It's like, there's got to be some way to parse that sentence. I don't know what it is. I'll get there. I got there. I figured it out. Okay. This is getting closer. Let's maybe not make this a full 3 meters. But I think we're getting close. All right, look at that. Okay. Let's bring this back. All right. How do I get rid of that little window on it? V-stack. Okay, yeah, this whole thing is a V-stack. So let's get rid of this. That should bring our thing down. Okay, well that didn't super work. You could get text-to-speech to auto say their name on follow? Yeah, but I don't know if text-to-speech is smarter. Okay, yeah, then correct. Yeah. I was gonna say, I don't know if it's smart enough to parse it any better than I am. Oh, PowerShell, take forever to boot, why don't you?
Astroturf Prime.
I mean, that's not the worst.
Astroturf Prime.
I don't know why it like hiccups for a second there. And I also don't know why I don't have like the good voice. I don't even remember what the good voice is called. Is it Alex?
Astroturf Prime.
Oh, yeah, but that still requires me to be able to figure it out within a reasonable amount of time. Are you just saying let the text-to-speech give me the delay to figure out how to read it myself? The thing just has to that's what I'm looking for. I have to say it really slowly. Okay, height is maybe what I want to change. Is there's like a speech rate, right? -R 0.1.
Astroturf Prime.
That's not slow enough. Oh, there isn't one. You get a few more seconds to not say it that way. I just had to look super confused for a minute. Text to speech, that's not how you say that. Did that do anything to fix this? I don't remember. Yes, it did. Okay. What if I say it's 0 meters? Is that going to break it? Sort of. I mean, I think it had to have been 0.5 meters because that's how tall the box is. So yeah, I kind of need it to be like 6 meters tall if I want to see the smoke and stuff. Well, that certainly didn't work. Yeah, there's the smoke. You can see being very small. I can't get this to go where I want it to go. That's the real problem. I need it to be like, can we like pin it? Can we give it like a position? Position, transform 3D. effect. Translate 3D effect. No. Transform 3D effect. Dot translated. Dot init with translation. Dot down. Negative up. No. Vector 3D. And then what did it say it was? So dot up is 0, 1, 0. So we want like negative 0, negative 1, 0. Is that not how you created a vector 3D? Yeah, vector 3D. Oh, I need all of X, Y, and Z. So 0, negative 1, 0. Well, that certainly didn't seem to help. Let's change this back to 1. Because that did seem to start right, at least. Okay, do I need... Yeah, because I think this is not in meters anymore. So in order to get it to do whatever we want, we need to make that like a large number. I also don't think that that's really helping. Content.add scene. Reality view. Update. Yeah, it doesn't... That actually seems to be making it worse, doesn't it? So maybe we actually do want this to be 500 and not negative 500? Yeah, there we go. Okay. Yeah, so now let's make this a little bit bigger. Let's make this height 2. And then, yeah, let's bump our thing a little bit more. So let's go with like 700. Maybe 1,000. That, ladies and gentlemen, is what I call a burning Xcode. Should we move the fire down so that it's more at the bottom of the Xcode? Yeah, exactly. Now you've actually killed Xcode, though. Let's move the fire down a little bit more. Where's that at? So negative 50. Is that too far down? That's too far down. Negative 20. Come on. There we go. Where's my burning Xcode? There we go. Oh, it still needs to go a little bit further down. Let's take it to like negative 30. You know, we could just have the camera. No? Can we not just make the camera point head on? Yeah, I guess that's kind of where I want it. Yeah, see, you really can't see it though. I feel like maybe we need less fire. There we go. still a little bit more less fire. Thanks for the follow, Young Lord On. Hey, I got that one. I didn't mess that one up. Yeah, should we make our fire a little bit more transparent? Maybe that's the right idea. Can we make the whole thing more transparent? Or do we have to change the start colors? I think we have to change the start colors. That's fine. There we go. There's our burning Xcode. Yes, I did. I hit 500 followers a couple days ago. It was pretty great. No, I was quite pleased with that. Thank you. Yeah, thank you to all 500 of you out there. Yeah, no, I wanted to have a celebration thing. So I did a celebration thing for 100 followers. And it was kind of ridiculous looking. That's actually where the fireworks originally came from, was from the 100th follower thing. And then every milestone since then that I've tried to hit, I've forgotten about it. And then this one, I got my 500 follower while I wasn't streaming. So it wouldn't have gone off anyway. But yeah. No, one of these days I need to like actually set a streaming thing for it to go off. But yeah, okay, so let's record this for a little bit. Record screen. I just want this to save and post. There we go. Yeah, no, if we could export that to 3D video, that would be really cool, but we don't know how to do that. We've tried. We've opened feedbacks saying, hey, please make this work. They haven't made it work yet. So, I'm hoping that, yeah, I can get back, I'm hoping that I can get some information from them and really get that to work, because I think that's going to be the big deal for Kineo, is getting the 3D video exported working. Because yeah, did you see the keynote with the Apple announcements where they're like, hey, the new iPhone Pro can take spatial videos and you will be able to share them later this year? It's like, okay, do you actually not have this working yet? Could that be the whole problem, that none of this is working? But yeah, I mean, that's what I want, because I'm especially thinking, like, there's no way that they're going to make it. It's like, oh, you can take this video on iPhone and you can share it with people on iPhone, but there's not going to be at least like some kind of effect, whether it's like gyroscope based or what, to, you know, view them in some way on iPhone. So that's what I'm really hoping, is that, can I do a 3D video export? And it's not going to be useful just for people who have Vision Pro. It's also going to be useful for people who have just regular iPhone, and they'll be able to pick it up and they're like, oh, you know, like, I want to take a look around at this animation and see it in that kind of effect. I think that'd be pretty fun. And so I'm really hoping that I can get this 3D video export working before, you know, Vision Pro ships. And I was going to say before that iPhone support ships, but that's not useful, because you're not going to be able to create animations in Kineo on the iPhone that are 3D. So yeah, I think this is something that needs to happen before Vision Pro ships and not before the iOS support for it ships. But it'd be nice, yeah, it'd be really nice if you can create stuff in Vision Pro in Kineo and then be able to view it even on iPhones. I think that'd be pretty sick. But yeah, in order to do that, I actually need to finish some of my Kineo work. I think I might try to do like a longer stream over the weekend. It depends on how much sleep I get. Guess what? I went to bed late last night and then woke up early for the iPhone pre-orders. I didn't go back to bed. So that's, you remember when I was like a little loopy at the beginning of the stream? That's the cause. And then decided to spend the entire stream building a picture of Xcode on fire. There's a reason why. You know, not necessarily everything makes sense. I kind of want this effect as like a blame Apple maneuver. Exactly. See, I was gonna wake up, just pre-order it simply, go back to bed. This was gonna be it. And then it took like half an hour to pre-order because Apple's servers were falling over. And then by that point I was like awake. And I'm like, I'm not going to go back to bed for 4 hours or whatever it was. 4 hours, I probably would have been fine. 4 hours probably would have been good. But what I was starting to say is I want this as like a Yule log fire that I can put on my TV. Can we export RealityKit content to tvOS? Surely not, right? What happens if I just try to run this on tvOS? Oh, we gotta go download the tvOS simulator. That's what happens. And then I think we would also have to like, this can't be a volumetric window. Because there's no way that's going to work in tvOS. I bet it won't even let me build, yeah. Because yeah, wouldn't you love to just sit around and you have a crackling fire, just Xcode burning? Isn't that the feeling of the holidays? Man, like you could actually do that though, and not with Xcode, but like a Yule log, yeah, Xcode roasting on an open fire, exactly. You get it. But like just a fireplace shared space app where you can just, you know, I'm working in IA Writer or something. I don't know why that was the like go-to app that I went with. You know, the app that I use every day, IA Writer. You're just sitting there with your Vision Pro, and you got that, you got whatever, you got your music playing, and you just got like a nice little fire sitting in, especially if you like have an actual fireplace in your house and you could like move the fire into the fireplace. You know, that would probably be a little less terrifying than, oh, I've got this virtual fire and it's just, you know, sitting on my sofa next to me. It's fine. But, yeah, like a virtual fire app could actually be less ridiculous than it is on iPhone or iPad or tvOS. I'm not going to pivot Kineo into being a virtual fire app, but if anybody else needs any Vision OS ideas, I would love a virtual fire app. And then you find out it's not virtual. Yeah. Can we also have like virtual smoke detectors? And then it just starts beeping at you? Okay. So this may be the sleep deprivation talking. What if you did have that? Follow me here, okay? You've got the fire. The fire's burning. And it sets off a smoke detector because it goes out of control and sets off a smoke detector and you got to go put it out. And this happens specifically every 25 minutes because it's secretly a Pomodoro timer. Yeah? Best app idea ever? Pomodoro timer that's just literally a fire that you got to go put out. You have to like go and you use the hand gesture stuff that you like have to like wave at it. And you like wave at it and it takes a couple minutes to burn down. You're like, oh, fire, go out, go out. And yes, it's a roleplay Aquaman. Ooh. Does Aquaman actually control water? I thought Aquaman... Yeah, I guess he does control water. Yeah, no. Yeah, so you would, like, wave your arms, and you just, like, you shoot water at the fire. Yeah, this is a good idea. Pomodoro app that is your house burning down. Somebody steal that idea. Mono, you said you needed Vision OS ideas, right? Don't you already have a couple? But there's another one. You can't afford an iPhone. That's okay. You only need to be able to afford a Vision Pro. All right. tvOS runtime. Here we go. I like how verifying this is taking enough CPU that you can see the particle emitter starting to jitter. It's too bad you can't do any, like, recognition stuff, because another way to make that Pomodoro timer thing work is, like, the house fills up with smoke, and then you've got to go physically open windows. You gotta let all the smoke out. tvOS simulator. All right. I feel like this is not going to build, but yeah, this one. Yeah, Reality Kit not available when building for tvOS simulator. Boo. Oh well. I guess I'll just have to have this in my Vision OS thing. Do that. All right, y'all. I think it's time for me to go to bed. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for watching. I know Mono's going to make fun of me for having short streams. It's too short for anything to get done. But unfortunately, I think I need it tonight. And then, yeah, like I said, I'll try to maybe work on stuff. Yeah, these are CS length episodes. Man, no, it's not even that long. He usually at least goes for 2 hours. Yeah, I'll try to be on tomorrow and see what we can do. Especially since I think Nutter's still working on his book. Y'all, go follow Nutter. I don't know why I've used y'all like 12 times tonight. That's not normally a thing that I say. This is going in with the sleep deprivation. Yeah, go check out Nutter's stream. Wish him luck on writing his SwiftUI Shapes book that he's working on to ship with iOS 17. So he probably won't actually stream till then. No, go ask your question. I was stalling for time. What's your question? I love helping. You wanted to show the image from the push. You need to implement the notifications, not the notification service extension. There's a notification UI extension. There's two different things, but yes, I think you're right. It's been a while since I did that. I did that for iOS 14. I did a bunch of work with notifications. New package? No, that wasn't it. I need like a new target, basically. Yeah, iOS. Notification content extension. I think that's what you need. Let me double check that, but I think notification service is for stuff like, I want to change the text in that, or I want to, I need to like hit a server to get more information, and all it sent me is like, go refresh and blah blah blah. But I think what you want is content. I think. Let's double check that. But for the rich notification, yeah. Oh, dang it, Bobby. I think I'm just... What? How have we gotten into Replit? What are we doing? Where's the, like, root thing for notification service? What is going on here? Stop. UN notification service extension. So this is all part of user notifications? Yeah, modifying content. You may want to modify the content if you need to decrypt data, download images. Oh, download images. I mean, that doesn't necessarily mean it's not part of the content one. But yeah, this is a notification service. So yeah, what is notification content extension? Object that presents a custom interface for a delivered local or remote notification. Yeah, I think this is what you need. Yeah, because this has media. Although maybe an image would work. Let's go back here. Do you have a Discord server related to Swift or iOS Dev? We do. It's right here. It's with a bunch of streamers, so it's not just me. It is also Mono, and here, let's just hit the buttons. Mono, and Compile Swift, and HJ Wilson, and Notify, and a couple others who I don't have buttons for. But yeah, so there's a bunch of Swift or iOS devs in there. Hey, thank you for the follow, Rao Invoker. But yeah, come hang out. We are happy to discuss Swift and iOS dev and all of the devs. I'm trying to think, like, is there... Yeah, UI notification content. You're going to try to stream in a couple hours? Yeah, okay, so go follow Mono. Mono will be streaming next. Here, let's do a... Yeah, see, I also skipped lunch today. See, this is probably more of the problem. I didn't get to sleep till pretty late. Woke up early. Didn't eat lunch all day. Yeah, no, it's a wonder that I'm still alive, much less needing to stop streaming early. Attachments. Okay, so yeah, there are video, images, movie, and audio files associated with notification content. So yeah, it looks like actually you don't need to use a notification content stuff. Notification content might be for if you need a completely custom UI. So if you want to build something in Swift UI and display that, that might be what it is. Whereas if you've got like a image or movie file already there, I did, but moving links is hard. Hold on, let it load, then go over here. Yeah, look at how hard that was. I had to click like 2 things. It's the worst. Well, then it didn't actually work, so. Did it just give up? It tried to send that link. There we go. Okay. Support sending image links in the payload of a display for image download to the device after delivery. See Apple documentation for files. Okay. I think that's the problem. Okay. So if you send an image directly, it's limited to 300 kilobytes. You need the notification service payload if you want something that's more than 300 kilobytes. Is that what they're saying? That might be what they're saying. You found a Swift version of that Objective-C madness on Stack Overflow? iOS 8 or later, it's 2 kilobytes. And then maybe it's eventually 4 kilobytes. 4 kilobytes. So yeah, I guess you would need the service for downloading stuff that is bigger than that limitation. Because they did say that in the service one. Download images or other media attachments whose size would exceed the maximum payload size. That must be it. Wondering if the service extension gives you more flexibility. Oh, it definitely does. Service extension does a lot. Cause yeah, we definitely did a service extension for what we were doing, which was basically displaying. Oh, cause there was this idea of like a messaging push notification. Was it developer? No, Apple communication notification. Yeah, this is the one. Because our app had chat with it associated. And we wanted to be able to show, like, the person you're communicating with. This was a two-sided marketplace app. Your provider that you were working with, we wanted to be able to show, like, their name and icon rather than just showing our app's icon. And so... we implemented this, and this I think required us to have a service thing so that we would basically get in a notification and it would have like the user's handle, but in order to go get like their profile picture and their user ID and all of this kind of stuff, we needed to do a service notification that basically notification came in, we got some basic information, we went and hit an API. That caused us to, we got an API, we got all of the information we needed, and then we, just built up the image or the notification and then sent it. So yeah, that's kind of what you need. Show the stream and video preview. Yeah, that's a good idea. Ooh, you could almost do... Could you almost do a communication notification and then it would show the streamer's avatar as though it was like that person messaging you? That could be cool. You know, like when you get like a iMessage. I don't have my phone. My phone literally not in here. Man, y'all, I'm dying today. That's kind of how you have it on Android? Nice. Yeah, that'd be cool. But for real, before I literally just pass out on stream, I'm gonna head out. Thank you all for watching. Thanks to Mono for the questions. And yeah, like I said, if I'm gonna try to be on sometime this weekend. And if I'm not, then I'll be back Monday. And hope to see you then. And I'll probably be, yeah, I'm gonna get back into serious actual I'm gonna try to stream tomorrow, Rao. I don't know. my stream schedule is Mondays and Fridays Pacific time. Yeah, it's all in the stream schedule thing. I'm gonna try to stream tomorrow just to like make up for the kind of minimal stream that I had tonight. But I'm not promising anything. We'll see. We'll see where I go. But yeah, hope to see you around. Thank you all for watching, and have a great weekend. Goodbye.